Today we're going to be making a very flavorful and healthy salad dressing. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up, shall we? I'm going to bring my bowl forward. First in is going to go a half a cup of olive oil. A half a cup of tahini. Gonna get all that in there. Next, we're going to bring in 1 teaspoon of honey. We're going to do a tablespoon of lemon. And now comes our turmeric. We're going to use a tablespoon of turmeric. Okay. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And let's give that a good whisk up. It's got beautiful color. We're going to go ahead and give it a little taste. See if I need more lemon. I think it could use just a little bit more lemon and a little more salt. So we're going to go ahead and get that in. A little more salt. There we go. Get a fresh spoon. Let's go in for another taste. Beautiful dressing. You're going to love this one. What we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and get this into a cruet. Move our cruet over, put our funnel in, and pour. Now, if you like a sweet dressing, you could certainly add in a little bit more sweetness with some maple syrup or any kind of sugar that you like or sweetener you like agave or any of those would be amazing in this. And you could double that sugar content. We are trying to do the low carb thing in our house, so we're cutting way down on the sugars that we're using. So for our turmeric dressing, I got to thinking, what would elevate that just a little bit more? And then I thought about it. Garlic powder. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder to the recipe. Let's go ahead and give that a little swirl. That's my homemade garlic powder. And now I'm going to give it another little taste. That totally did it. All right, so we're going to add that into the recipe. Oh yeah, that garlic makes you come back and want another bite. Thanks for watching For the Love of Food. Let's go ahead and pour this all over our salad. Look how beautiful. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.